one was Ola's founder, Bhavesh Agarwal, and another is, I think, Yashish Dalia is Policy Bazaar's founder. And both of them are pretty. So just to give you a basic background, both of them, I think the Yashish Dahiya, who's a founder of Policy Bazaar, he graduated from IIT Delhi, and Bhavesh Agarwal graduated from IIT Bombay. Bhavesh Agarwal's JE rank was 23. I think Yashish Dahiya's rank was normal, like me maybe. And Yashish Dahiya's age is around 48 right now. He started Policy Bazaar at the age of 38, I think, 37 or 38. And now Policy Bazaar is valued as $1 billion company already. And Bhavesh started quite early. Even while in the college, the story of Bhavesh Agarwal is very nice because there are a couple of 2 points I'll really cover. It is very, very interesting. And Bhavesh was born and brought up from a background where two of them, their mummy, daddy were doctors. So the studious wala nature was already there. It was drilled down. But Bhavesh always believed in freedom. Usko enjoy karna tha life se. So he was in the childhood, he enjoyed a lot. But in 11th, 12th, he was sent to Kota, Rajasthan to study. And that bugger didn't study. Don't let me enjoy the freedom. He did not read for any JE. He did not clear as well after 2 years. And he came back to home. And that is when some decision he took in his life. He took a very strong decision that he wanted to appear for IIT, and it was so focused. He told clearly in his interview that every day he studied for 16 hours. Every single day he closed his room. 16 hours is to study. That's it for complete 1 year. And his focus levels were at its peak. So one thing he told here, I used to enjoy definitely the mathematics and all those stuff to solve problem. But initially when I went for 2 years for Kota, Rajasthan, I was not focused. I was not actually studying properly, and that is the reason the result was actually predictable. But that 1 year he actually studied pretty hard, and the hard work he put. He was in fact expecting that he would get a rank of maybe in single digit. Uske papa sochte the ki wo number 1 aayega. But definitely when you write competitive exam, even a 1 mark can create a huge difference. And that is how he got a rank of 23. Even then, after he went to college, he always wanted to do something of his own. He was not an academician, right? You see a lot of people who are very studious, they go to college, they crack 9 pointers, 8 pointers, and they're always in the labs and doing something. This guy was a chaggi. If you don't know in Hindi language, chaggi ka matlab, he was below average in college. 6.7 or 6.8 he graduated from the college, but he was a person who used to always try to follow his passion, try to do something interesting. He used to develop a lot of websites for different companies. And when he was an intern, so in his initial journey of college, he already identified technology is something he used to really like it, and used to develop a lot of free projects. And he used to also earn in the next end of third or fourth, he used to earn 20-30K as a pocket income by developing some website and giving to some people. And because of his grade and all, he used to feel a little bit bad that he used to not compete with his classes. But eventually he cracked the interview of Microsoft in the 4th year. And in the campus and in the company, he was always looked. When people used to talk to him, they realized that ye banda tikega nahi, ye chhod ke chale jayega. Because every time in the lunch break, he used to talk about some ideas, some good technology he used to work. He was so passionate about it, super passionate. And you see, if you see the journey, the mindset of what he was developed, it started long back. The reason I'm sharing this story is not to highlight that Bhavesh was very smart or talented, because once you know the later part of story, you'll be amazed कि यार IIT JEE 23 rank, इसने भी फेलियर देखा है क्या? इसको क्यों फेलियर आएगा? सब लोग तो हाँ बोलेंगे, इतना शार्प बंदा है, कौन मना करेगा? But the kind of failure he went through, you won't believe it. And the failure what he went through, and still he managed to come out of it, and how he transformed Ola, and still he's going on. It's still not profitable yet. And how he's being grounded, and how his family, his wife motivated him to develop few products. I'll just share all this story in the next upcoming book club. And about Yashish Dahiya, I think this person you'll relate a lot, because this guy was passionate about sports. Bachpan se he came from army background. His dad was in Indian Army and all, and he used to always become an army officer. That was his dream. And while he was writing JEE, he also had an exam called SSB. If you know about defense, so SSB Service Selection Board. And at that time he wrote the JEE because few people identified that he's good in physics or mathematics. And since that time, he was so passionate about sports, health and fitness. and that is what who he was. And he claimed in the interview that he never had a big goal that time. He was never clear what he really wants to go, where he wants to go, but he always made sure whatever he did he enjoyed to the fullest. मर के काम नहीं करता था वो. अगर वो कुछ बोरिंग काम भी करता था, he used to find out a way to make it interesting. And that is one habit he always used to influence other people around his company, because people in company, they get frustrated. I don't like this work, monotonous work, this blah blah stuff. But when people used to stay and work with him, they get motivated कि ये interesting हो गया, ये चीजें बहुत interesting दिख रही है अब तो, पहले नहीं दिखता था. And used to be very proud about it. And also he told until maybe 37, 30 years, he was not clear, but whatever he took and make it best out of it. So these two people are two different categories, what I meant to say. Although he started, Bhavesh and Yashish both started the company around 2008, because Ola also started around 2008, and Yashish also started his Polycer 2008. But if you see the end outcome, the principles will be always same. Yashish को तो एक बार गुंडागर्दी करने लोग आ गए थे, बोला कि भाई पॉलिटिक्स बंद करो, तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. It was so horrible, and he was in a place, in spite of coming from IIT Delhi, he had Ahmedabad MBA as well. Still, he was at a point of career of his time. He did not have money to feed. He was almost to the road. And just after doing all those circus and all, but after being in the road to where he is, and he's also known as an Iron Man. I don't know if you can Google search about him. He's an Iron Man. Iron Man का title उसको देते हैं जो physical strength is super high. So where you have to do, I think, 15 kilometers of running, 45 kilometers of running, 20 kilometers of swimming, and then cycling of 30 kilometers in one day, or in just gap of 12 hours. So that is his dream. And now when he's in interview, tells कि he never talked about Policy Bazaar's dream, but he told कि मेरा ड्रीम है कि मुझे वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप बनना है, बिकॉज मेरे बेटों ने तो हार मान लिया, बेटों ने तो मना कर दिया, उनको नहीं बनना, बट मैं करके दिखाऊंगा at the age of 48. So a lot of things are there. I'm super excited while I share, but stay tuned for the next week's book club, because you're gonna blow your mind and you'll get a lot of hope, because where you are currently, way beyond it. Whichever age group you are in right now in the book club, you get that reference. Trust me, it will be mind-blowing. So that's about it.